Welcome to the installation guide for the Humax EV Home Charger. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to install your Humax charger at home, covering everything from preparation to final setup. Before we begin, let's review some important safety notices. 1. The installation must be carried out by a qualified electrician. 2. The cover of the charge point should only be removed by professionals. 3. Always turn off the electricity before starting the installation. First, let's prepare for the installation. You'll need the following tools and components. Ensure you have the power supply cable and the provided CT clamp for 7 kW setups with you. Step 1. Mark the positions for the drill holes on the wall using the provided template on the packaging box. Position the charger between 0.5 and 1.5 meters above the ground, ensuring adequate space on both sides of the charger for pry tool access. Drill holes with a 6 mm diameter drill bit and insert wall plugs. Drive the screws into the top holes, leaving a 5 mm gap. Proper positioning and secure mounting are essential for both functionality and safety. Step 2. Use the enclosure pry tool to carefully open the cover from the lower side, where the marks are shown, revealing the internal wiring. This step must be done with caution to avoid damaging the enclosure or internal parts. Next, mount the charger onto the 2 top wall screws and secure it with the bottom locking screw. Finally, apply the rubber sealing plug. Step 3. For electrical connections, the Humax charger includes a built-in pen fault protection and 6 mA DC current leakage protection. Fit the supplied rubber sealing plug to prevent water and dust ingress and feed the wire through the bottom left hole. Secure the sheath of the cable with the fastener. Connect the live, neutral and earth wires according to the provided wiring diagrams for single-phase setups. We'd recommend using the cable end sleeves provided. If you already have easy access to an outdoor rated Ethernet cable, feed this through the center hole. Step 4. Ensure the CT clamp arrow points towards the consumer unit for load balance and solar functionality. Secure the CT clamp around the live wire. Insert the green connector into the slot, ensuring the wires match the corresponding ports. Close the enclosure by pressing firmly on the front panel until you hear an audible click. Tighten the hex safety screws at the bottom of the unit using the Allen key provided. Step 5. Now let's commission the charger. Turn the electricity back on. After powering on, the EV charger will be discoverable from the app for 15 minutes. If the 15 minutes are exceeded and the commissioning process is not completed, you'll need to restart the charger. Use the Humax EV Charging app or Humax EV Charging Installer app to configure the charger. Humax EV Charging Installer app. The Humax Installer app is to be downloaded and used by Humax-approved installers. This app can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Firstly, log in or create an account using your email and password. The mobile app will look for chargers in the area via Bluetooth. The serial number will appear on screen. Select the correct serial number. Next, please enter the 4-character PIN code that includes both numbers and letters. You can find this on the manual. Enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password. The server URL is pre-configured. Configure load balancing and CT details based on household or grid. Enter the end user's email address to transfer the charge point. An email will be sent to the user with a QR code to download the Humax EV Charging app. Humax EV Charging app. Download the Humax EV Charging app on the end user's device from either Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Scan the QR code on the side of your charger to enter the serial number and register your new EV device. If your charger has been previously commissioned with the installer app, the commissioning process is already complete. You can select Go to Main to skip the network setup. If your charger has not been previously commissioned, you need to go through the network setup process. Next, set up the network by opening your Wi-Fi settings. Select the network with the name matching the serial number of your charger. The default password is available in the installation manual included in the box. Go back to the app and click Start Setting. Select the Wi-Fi network you wish to connect to. Charger commissioning is complete and is ready to charge. With the setup complete, you can start using the charger. Plug the charging cable into your electric vehicle and use the Humax EV Charging app to start charging. For enhanced features, use the Humax EV Charging app to monitor energy usage, set charging schedules, share the charger with your family and guests, and more. The light sequences on the charger indicate various statuses: green for ready, blinking green for charging, yellow for warnings, and red for faults. If you face any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section of the full user manual or visit the support hub on the link below. Professional support is available to help resolve any problems you might face. Thank you for choosing the Humax EV Home Charger. With proper installation and setup, you can enjoy efficient and safe charging for your electric and plugged-in electric vehicle. Your satisfaction and safety are our top priorities.